Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use voltage division. First, understand that voltage division is a fundamental concept in electronics, allowing you to easily determine the voltage drop across individual resistors in a series circuit. This method is incredibly useful for designing power supplies or sensor interfaces. We'll cover the basic principles and show you how to apply the formula effectively. The core of voltage division lies in its simple formula. V out equals V in multiplied by the ratio of Rx to R total. Here, V out is your desired output voltage. V in is the total input voltage. Rx is the specific resistor you're interested in, and R total is the sum of all resistors in the series path. For example, if you have two resistors, R1 and R2 in series, R total would be R1 plus R2. Let's apply this with an example. Imagine a 12-volt source connected to a 1 kiloohm resistor and a 2 kiloohm resistor in series. If you want to find the voltage across the 2 kiloohm resistor, Rx becomes 2 kiloohms and R total is 3 kiloohms. Plugging these values into the formula, you'll find the voltage across the 2 kiloohm resistor is 8 volts. This demonstrates how straightforward it is to calculate specific voltages. Remember, voltage division only works for resistors connected in series. Introducing a load in parallel with one of the resistors will change the effective resistance and thus the output voltage. Always account for any load impedance in your calculations. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial understanding, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. You can find a link to this book and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.